at the query. We actually get the most concise code here by using the findAll method on the tweet object. That's pretty nice, but it's also a very high-level abstraction that looks nothing like the raw SQL code that it represents. What was most surprising though is that I wasn't getting any kind of type inference. So I went to the documentation and found out that TypeScript won't be very useful out of the box. It looks like it takes a lot of manual work to get things in a good place, and that's a deal breaker for me. However, this is a long-established project, and it has a lot of features that you may not find in other tools, like you can define paranoid tables with a single configuration option. But now let's move on to an alternative called TypeORM. This tool is similar in the sense that you create entities that map tables to objects, but the code looks a lot different because it relies on TypeScript decorators. If you come from Java or C#, you'll feel right at home with this code, and it'd also be vibing with Angular and Nest.js, and it is very readable in my opinion. What's kind of annoying though is that you'll need to update a few things in your TypeScript config to get it working, and you'll have to import reflect metadata. But once you have your entities defined, you can then use the database to set them up as a repository. Then as you can see, that makes it extremely easy to query a table, and this time we get full type safety without any issues. Now in the mutation, you can actually just instantiate a new entity and modify its properties imperatively. You don't have to do things this way, but that's the way they show it in the documentation.